Today's video is all about sharing in a ratio. Now, this video differs from other ratio videos that I've done because here we are sharing the whole amount. So we're sharing the whole £64 in the ratio 3:1. So the first thing we do on all these types of ratio questions where we're sharing the whole ratio is we add up this and this, because this means 3 parts, this means 1 part. So if 3 parts and 1 part, that's going to be 4 parts. So we write down that 4 parts equals £64. That's our first line of working. Next, what we've got to do is we always have to work out what 1 part is. So if 4 parts is £64, we need to do 64 divided by 4. So again, from the previous video, how many times does 4 go into 6? It goes in there once with 2 left over. How many times 4 go into 24? Goes in there 6 times. So that's going to be 16. So 1 part is 16. And now what this question is asking you is what 3 parts are. So if 1 part is 16, 2 parts is 32, 3 parts is £48, and 1 part, as we said here, is £16. So that's what we do, £48 and £16. Next, this is slightly different because you've got 2 parts, 5 parts and 7 parts. If we add those all together, that's 14 parts. So we write down first of all that 14 parts equals £84. So now we've got to work out what 1 part is. So we've got to do 84 divided by 14. So you've got to count up in 14. So 14, 28. Again, remember, when you're adding on 14, add on the 10, then add on the 4. So that's going to be 38, plus the 4 is going to be 42. Add on 14, you got 56. Add on 14, you got 70. Add on 14, you got 84. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it goes in there 6 times. So 1 part is £6. And we've got 2 parts. So if 1 part is £6, 2 parts are going to be £12. We've got 5 parts. So 1 part is £6, 5 parts is going to be 30. 7 parts. It's going to be 42. And one way just to double check your answer, do 42 plus 30 is 72, plus 12 is 84, which is the original amount, which would have worked out here as well. Right, now pause the video, have a go at question 3 and question 4. And if you've done that, hopefully, first thing you would have done is add up the ratio. So 7 parts, 2 parts. That's going to be 9 parts. We say that 9 parts is £72. So if 9 parts is £72, we divide by 9. So 72 divided by 9. Hopefully, you should be able to do that. There's the finger method, which should help you. That's going to be £8. If not, just write it down. So 9, 18, 27, 36. 9, so you add on 4, then add on 5 is going to be 45, 54, 63, 72. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 part is £8. So 7 parts is 7/8 is £56. 2 parts is going to be £16. They both add up to 72. The final one, you add up 2 parts, 3 parts, and 7 parts. That's going to be 12 parts. So you write down 12 parts equals 132. Now 10 12s are 120, so 11 12s are 132. So if we divide 132 by 12, we get 11. So 2 parts is £22. 3 parts is £33. 7 parts is £77. And well done if you got all those.